That's crazy.
Hey, what's up, gang? This is Dr. Tran here. I'm next to my good friend Rigo. Rigo, introduce yourself.
Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm a mobile detailing. I'm here for a good adjustment with my friend Dr. Dow.
All right, let's get started. That's one. All right.
That's crazy.
There we go.
That's crazy.
There you go. So what do you think, Rigo? Your first chiropractic experience?
Crazy, man. It feels really good. I can feel it loosening up everything pretty much. I remember looking down, felt really stiff in the backside right here. Feels really good now. Easy everything. Recommended. Dr.
All right.
Dow did his magic and give me a tune-up.
All right, thanks for coming by, Rigo. Anybody wants a mobile detail service in the South Bay, check them out.
Yep, you know, all over the harbor area, doing basic washes all the way to ceramic coatings.
Alrighty.
Hit up Dr. Dow. Pretty much recommended.
All right. See you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye.